Hi again. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show how we can import points or survey points in Civil 3D. There are two ways or two methods how to import points in Civil 3D. I'll be covering just the first method, which is through the point creation tool. And if I navigate to the Home tab, create to points and point creation tool, then I will select the import point button here. Then from import points window, I'm gonna select the plus sign here for adding files. It will navigate to the browser to select where your file, the survey file is located. First, I would be interested to select the file, the type of the file, whether it's CSV or text file. In this example, I'm selecting the text TXT, and this is the file I'm going to import, and I will select open. Then the file will appear, the file path will appear here, and the status that all points, the format match, but actually it might not match the content of that file. So I've got to select the type or the format of the data from this list. So in order to understand which format will be the one to select, I will go back to that file, right click and say edit. It will open that file, and then by having just a sensor check on the content, I can see, for example, the first column appears to be the point number. Then this is sort of a coordinate, northing, and then another coordinate, let's say easting, and then the elevation or the z value appears here, and then the description. This information you should know that from the surveyor who's providing the data. And then by having this, I understand now what sort of format is the data is prepared with. And I'll go back here. Now I know which format I should select from this list. So I'll go for PNEZD, and basically this one stands for point, northing, easting, Z or elevation, and D for description. And this is the information in the preview. So the preview helps you to see or to check before inserting the data if the format, the selected format is the correct one. So it shows the content of the text file in the preview. And then I would say, just to keep it simple, I'm not going to create a group of the points. Keep it simple and say, OK. After you've done that, it appears like nothing has happened, but actually the data is in, it is inserted, and it is now within the pointer groups in all points. If you click on that one, you will see a preview of the points you've just input in Civil 3D. You can expand on that one to see the data, or just try to click here and say edit points, and this is showing the full list of the data. How I'm going to show the data in the model space, simply type Z letter from the keyboard, enter, and choose extend, or type E, enter, and it is going to automatically navigate to the points area, and this is the points I've just created and inserted in Civil 3D, and I can go to points properties just to add the description of the point. From point label style, I'll go for description only and select OK. And now each point will have a description based on the surveyed data. Thank you and see you in the next video.